Hello. Hello. I'm going to be talking to you about the basics of an online synthesizer. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the oscillator. The oscillator is the repetitive variation of of a sound wave between two different states, and the oscillator is controlled by these two buttons here. So if we listen, it sounds a bit dodgy, but if I hopefully if I control the buttons. The second thing I'm going to talk about is the filter. The second thing I'm going to talk about is the filter over here, which is usually a linear shift invariant. What these dials do, they basically create a filter which should satisfy some of online filter requirements. This filter key will is the cutoff filter key. So if I put it to the low frequency, it will cut off anything that's above that. So again, but just put that oscillator on. If I put it up, then there should be some. Should sound a lot different. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the amplifier, but on this synthesizer, they've labeled this an amplifier when it's actually an ADSR control panel, which will be attack, decay, sustain, release. But an amplifier is basically what can control the power of a signal. But for the sake of argument, call it an ADSR. And obviously, if we move this about, it should change the what the sound will sound like. Again, there, and that's pretty much all the basics of online synthesis.